Good morning. It is time for me to pack for Disney World just so that I don't forget anything. I don't leave for about 5 more days. I will not be bringing a carry-on case this time though, because I have some lounge flies that I'll be bringing with me and they take up some space. I will be checking into Pop Century and staying for 6 nights. I am going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, which I'm super excited about. I this week got these earrings actually from Temu, and they are beaded mini earrings. I just thought that they were so adorable, so I had to get those. I may or may not pop over to Celebration. They are having Oktoberfest this weekend, and I really wanted to see Celebration, and I thought what better time to go visit it than during one of their celebrations. So I'm just going to start packing and show you what I'm bringing. So this is my regular park bag that I use that I just attach my pins to. And this is the stuff that I'm going to be throwing into it. So pretty standard stuff. I got some Band-Aids. I really wanted a new little water bottle that was Disney themed, and I found this one at the dollar store, and it's just all of the princesses, which I thought was really cute. I like having a little water bottle because I don't want to be weighed down by my backpack. Of course, I got some sunscreen. I've yet to use my gaudy poncho with all of the maple leaves on it, but that's just in case there's a downpour while I'm there. Fingers crossed, so far I have avoided every downpour in the parks in the past 4 times that I went. And of course I have some sunglasses, Advil, hand sanitizer. I have the fuel rods. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of them actually. I find I only get like 1 charge out of it for my phone, and I find it takes forever to charge my phone. So I did end up getting another charger, and I just got this one off of Amazon. Brand looks like it's Vigor, and I like it a lot. It's I think 10,000 mAh, and I can get at least 2 full charges off of this, and it charges quite quickly. You can plug it into the wall, which is awesome, and these are the options here on the side for your charging. I use the USB-C, so I like this a lot. I'll link that down below actually, because that's awesome. And it also tells you, has a screen on it that tells you how much battery power it has left. So I always bring this to film on rides, or just to take little videos of myself, or pictures. You can just stand it up. They will not let you bring in selfie sticks to the park, but they will let you bring little tripods. And I have some anti-nauseant here, nauseant. I'm noticing that I need that more and more as I get older. And I just have some little bags here in case I want to bring back a snack to my room. I have my passport. I always have a copy of my passport too in my luggage, and then of course my wallet and I haven't upgraded to the newer magic bands, but I really like my sparkly magic band, and I found these little charms that you can add to them off of Temu as well actually. There's some Mickey heads and castles, and yeah, I just think that's super cute. Okay, so I'm going to go buy my clothes day by day just so that I know that I have everything, and the lighting might come in and out because I'm sitting by the window and I think it's cloudy, so apologize for that. So for my travel day, I'm going to be getting there around 11. I'll probably just check my bags in at Pop Century, maybe do a little tour of the resort. I definitely want to get on the Skyliner because I haven't done that in a few years. And then that evening, I'm going to be going to Oktoberfest in Celebration if they're still having it. I'm not sure how much cleanup they have to do after the last hurricane. But this will be my travel day t-shirt that I also got off of Temu. It's not the best quality, but I think it's kind of cute. You may or may not have seen my video where I made a stormtrooper outfit. So I got this lounge fly off of Amazon, and when you move it back and forth, you can see that he is probably interrogating his enemy. And the reason I bought it is because I found this fabric at the dollar store, and it's a repeat pattern of stormtroopers. So I made some ears out of it, and then I also made this skirt So this is the outfit I'm going to be wearing the next morning in Hollywood Studios. I'm going to be doing probably a half day there and then going over to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, where I'm pretty much just going to be a walking candy corn. So I fell in love with this Loungefly. This is my first Loungefly, which I never thought would actually be Halloween themed because I'm not really a big Halloween person. But I really love candy corn and I really wanted to go to this after hours event. And on the other side of it is Mickey. So there's Mickey and Minnie and it's just so perfect. So I went with a satchel instead of a backpack because I also got Memory Maker for the day. So I wanted to do some photos around Magic Kingdom and I wanted this to be in the photo. And I of course got the matching Mickey and Minnie ears. I think this is what I saw first, and then I got the bag. I was really looking for a candy corn dress, and I could not find something that I was in love with. So I ended up just searching through my closet for these colors, and this is what I came up with. So I do have an orange skirt. It's an orange pleated skirt from Shein, I believe. And I have this white top that I'm also going to be wearing that morning with my Stormtrooper outfit. So I'll just continue to wear that. And then this week off Amazon, I just bought this yellow belt, this big chunky yellow belt. So together that should look like a candy corn outfit. And I also wanted to have something on me that was glowing. So I got some glow sticks, just some bracelet glow sticks, and also this necklace with some pumpkins on it. I wish they were Mickey shaped pumpkins, but that's okay. And I am super, super excited to go trick-or-treating. I am going to probably fill this up with candy along with the bag that they give you. The next morning, I'm going to be going to Magic Kingdom again. I want to do some rides that I haven't done yet, just kind of the smaller stuff like the Barnstormer. I really want to see Enchanted Tales with Belle. I have a reservation for breakfast with Pooh at Crystal Palace, and I can't wait to try some churro waffles. So that day is going to be kind of like a Beauty and the Beast themed outfit. So I got this off of Facebook Marketplace. It's a little backpack, and I think it's by Daniel Nicole, but it is the Beast, and it was only $20, and I just couldn't leave it behind. It doesn't hold a lot, but I think it's still super adorable. And I kept seeing this t-shirt, which I thought was really cute. It is a Beauty and the Beast themed t-shirt, again, off of Temu, or Temu, however you want to say it. Tale as Old as Time, Belle's Bookshop. I thought that was so cute. So I'm going to be wearing that, and I also had some leftover fabric from some Beauty and the Beast ears that I made for a year of the ear swap. So I made some extra ears this week to go with that outfit, and I think that they turned out really, really cute. I love the flocked fabric on the back is my favorite, I think. And I'm probably just gonna wear some orange leggings with that. So that'll be my outfit for Magic Kingdom. I'm also gonna probably jump over to Animal Kingdom. There's a few things there that I haven't done. I'm not wearing anything special to go to SeaWorld. I'm just gonna be going to Sesame Street Land, and I know they have a lot of thrill rides and roller coasters, which I'm not a huge fan of. I like the smaller roller coasters, but I'm a little bit of a wimp when it comes to the big ones. So I just have a workout skirt and a blue workout top because the weather is still pretty warm right now, although I have seen some people say that in the morning and at night it's kind of chilly. So I'm gonna bring a few sweaters with me as well. And then my next Disney park day, I'm gonna try to do 4 parks in one day. It's a little challenge that I wanna do. That morning though, I have a reservation to go to Space 220, which I'm super excited about. So I am going to be doing sort of an Epcot themed outfit. I got these ears, part of the Year of the Ear swap from the Siskateers, and it is supposed to be Spaceship Earth themed. So that got me thinking that I should kind of match this with an outfit. I had this dress, which is so shiny and shimmery and kind of like spacey. And I think that I'm going to wear that with like a black top underneath. And then I found some disco earrings, which I haven't opened yet, but that is definitely Spaceship Earth themed, I think. And then I found this little purse to bring with me, which again reminds me of Spaceship Earth. So that'll be my Epcot outfit, and I'll also be jumping around to other parks that day. I really want to ride Slinky Dog at night with all of the lights, so I think I'll end the day there. And of course, I'm going to be bringing Pooh, my little Nuimo, to be on my backpack with me the whole trip. I might get another one, I'm not sure. I really wanted Mickey too. I also really want to get a Winnie the Pooh plushie to keep Mickey company wherever he is in this bedroom. Seeing him always puts a little smile on my face. That's my outfits, and then I'm just going to bring some sweaters. So I have my Alice in Wonderland sweater that I got off of Amazon that has some embroidery on the sleeves. This other lighter sweater, and it's a leopard print Mickey head. And again, I got that one off of Amazon as well. Oh, and I can't forget, I will definitely be bringing my little mini hat. So I am going to start packing and see how much room I have left.